Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and welcome back to your next English class. And you can see the chapter Finding My Way. And as myself, Nupur ma'am, you know me very well. As I have given you the syllabus of first unit test and I have discussed with you the chapters itself in my last video. And there already I have discussed so many questions from one poem, The Ant and the Cricket, which you have in your exam, right? But this is another chapter which I added in your exam, the section 1, Finding My Way. I told you to read the chapter. I hope you have read it and you just remember all the lines and all the meanings. I have told you please read all the meanings are there. So many meanings are there and about whom it is written. And it is one advice from me. Please read all the lines inside the chapter, all the lines, because you will get so many MCQ questions from inside the chapter. And don't depend on the exercise. I am telling you again and again. Please read all the chapter, means all the lines, whatever it is here. This is there are so many lines and there are so many meanings. Please read these meanings and of course you will read the question answer, but I am telling you don't depend on it only. You just think that we are doing this question answer, so we will get questions, common questions, so we need not to read the chapter inside. No, don't do it, please. It is my request to you. Please, all the questions you have to remember, you have to prepare, but the chapter itself you have to prepare very well. Okay, so for your help I have made one practice work for you from this chapter. This is Finding My Way, MCQ questions from this chapter. Whatever I remember, I have given you lots of MCQ questions type from The Ant and the Cricket, the poem, and already you have given your exam on that chapter, so you are little bit practiced at what kind of questions may come from that chapter, right? Means from that poem. But the Finding My Way, I have discussed only the exercises question, so I have never discussed with you the MCQ question from this chapter. So this is one practice work for you. Okay, see there is line what I told you, that please prepare, please read all the chapter, because there from anywhere you can get the question. See, I did not learn from school and books. Who said this line? You can see inside the chapter this line. Just for your help I am showing you. Just see at the starting of the chapter this line is there, and please read all this all. Okay, so I did not learn from school and books. So who said this? Of course, a narrator, and you remember the narrator's name, I think. So there are options you will get. Jangar said this line, or Venkat Sham said this line, or Kabir said, or so what should be the answer? Jangar said, or Venkat Sham said this line, or Kabir said, or Vasudeva said. I hope you can understand who said. I means who? The narrator itself, the Venkat Sham said this, right? Okay, next question. It was as a child that I had my first encounter with Kabir. This is another line. You can see this. This also you can get inside the chapter. So you can understand one thing. There are questions from all the lines. There are so many lines because there are so many lines inside the chapter. So I am not telling this question will come in your exam, but this type of question you will get in your exam. Okay, so it was as a child that I had my first encounter with Kabir. Who is Kabir? Kabir is Venkat Sham's teacher, a famous dancer, a famous poet in 15th century India, or a singer. Of course you can remember. I hope a famous poet in 15th century India. You can see this inside the chapter. See, yeah, there are so many meanings are written, and there are who is Kabir, who is Vasudeva, all are written here. Okay, so I hope this will help you. You don't think that you can't get. I hope you can get, right? Okay, next question. Go to the next question. See, What is Gond art? You can see in the first of the chapter there are written what is Gond art. Gond art is a form of tribal painting common in Central India, and it was made popular by Jangar Singh and all. Okay, so I hope you can get there. So this what is Gond art? A famous painting in Pakistan, a form of tribal painting common in Central India, a dance form, or a folk song. Of course you can understand this should be the answer. So I hope it is clear to you that what kind of question may come from this chapter, right? Next, I was entranced by the Palash flowers that flaunted their beauty along dash river. You have to fill the blank. Okay, definitely you will get instruction. Maybe sometime you will get instruction in your exam paper, or sometime you can't. You don't get any instruction. You have to understand. You can understand there whenever you will see that the blank is there, means you can understand, fill in the blanks, right? So it is Ganga, or it is the Yamuna, it is the Halon, it is the Halong. What should be the answer? I hope you remember, and it is also inside the chapter, and definitely you have see Halon river. See this line. I was entranced by the Palace flowers that flaunted their beauty along the Halong river. Okay, so right now it is clear to you. So what should be the answer? It should be the answer this, the Halon, not Halong. That is why I am telling you that please read the spelling properly. Okay, that is why I was telling you that read the spelling properly, because if you don't know the spelling properly, it should be very difficult to you to check the options. Okay, so that is why I am telling you again and again, please read all the spellings. It will help you. Next, his date of birth was changed. His date of birth was changed from dash 1917 to dash 1970. Both are 1970, but there are some dates. I hope you remember that incident whenever he went to school and his teacher was checking his ability, and whenever it was checked, after that his birth date was changed because to prove that how much older he is, and okay, I hope you remember that portion. So what should be the answer? There are two dates. See, there are two blanks, means there are two dates, and you will get this kind of comma, and of course you will get two answers. Okay, see, 3rd December 1970 to 27th October 1970, or 2nd December to 28th September, or 2nd December to 28th October, or 2nd December to 15th October. Now you are a little bit confused. I think if you already have read the all chapter properly, then you can do it, and it is very easy. I am showing you the portion where you get this. When father sought to put me in school, the principal wasn't sure I was old enough. Age was determined by a child's ability to touch his left ear by taking his right hand over his head. I understood, but I held my ear the easy way. But the principal looked. He saw I was smart. But to be safe, changed my date of birth from 2nd December 1970 to 28th October 1970. Now I hope it is very clear to you, right? So there are so many dates. Now it is very easy to choose 3rd December 27th October, or 2nd December 27th 28th September. So it should be 2nd December 28th October, right? This should be. So that is why I told you please read all the chapter inside, all the lines. Okay, because from anywhere you can get any type of question. Okay, there are some more questions for you. See, let's check. Question number 6. The new apprentice had to work the silbatta. This is one another line. You will get this line inside the chapter also. Here you can see the word apprentice means what? What is the meaning of apprentice? We will get this meaning inside the chapter. See the options: newcomer, trainee, trainer, or teacher. Of course, you will get this meaning in chapter also. See, there are so many words. See the line: when a new boy arrived, and the new apprentice had to work in the silbatta. See the line and see apprentice meaning trainee. It is already written. So now it is clear to you. So it should be trainee. Okay. Who was Jangar's assistant? Kabir, Daddy Singh Urvedi, Vasudeva, or Esanand. There were 2 assistants of Jangar. I hope you remember. And this also you will get inside the chapter. And I am focusing you. See, Jangar's then had 2 assistants. Daddy Singh Urvedi and Labda Samar Singh Khusram. Right? So there are 2 names. So you will get any type of question. So I have arranged this type of question. So what is the proper option? This, Daddy Singh Urvedi. Okay. So this is your practice work from this chapter. Please read this chapter very properly, and you know very well from the grammar portion what kind of question there may come. So I think it should not be any problem for you to give the answers in grammar portion. It is already practiced so many times, and we have given your practice test also on it. Okay, so if you have any inquiry, you can ask me in comment box, but please read these all chapters and prepare this kind of practice questions. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep watching my video. Bye bye.